Okay, so I've whacked it on some sandpaper and polished it up. Now you can clearly see the dark spots low, silver spots high. So the bloody thing's all over the place. It's not polished, it's smooth. I'm not really keen on polishing it up. I'm just slicking the action a little bit, not making a showpiece out of it. Same on the other side, there's a few scratches in it still, but everything's done. Carriages, all the high spots have been taken off the carriage area. Polished some of the bits and pieces that wear. That's it. So I'm going to give it a quick squirt down with degreaser to get some of the dust off. Put all the bits back together and whack it in the rifle and function test it with empty holes and some dummies which I made up. I just basically stuffed paper tissue in the ends and folded the end over. I don't have a reloader. I don't want to use live rounds, so that's good enough. Made up a couple, so I'll put say 2 in the pipe, 1 of these in the chamber and cycle the gun, see what happens. So it is spring loaded. You can see the spring down there. Spring in there. It's a split pin kind of thing. Split pin. That's one ugly pin. So the pin went into the right, so we remember that. I'll put that on my right hand side of the bench. I've lined all the pins up. You don't need to see it, but I lined the pins up the way they come out. Gun's facing that way, I'm here, barrel's that way. Pins go in, so they come out like that. So I put them on the right hand side of my bench, so I know that that pin goes that way, gun that way. I'll show you the yeah, I'll bloody show you now. See all the pins there? That's how they go. Okay, so we've got the lever pin out. We just pop that apart like so. Take the spring out, set that down. Just have a bit of an inspection on this. I mean, the whole gun is a testament to how many burrs you can stick on one piece of steel. Again, I just run a drill around the hole. Now that one I might actually be able to get the countersink in. That's sweet. Okay, so I line everything up. I'm just going to put this in the back here as a dummy, just to help line up those pins, the pinhole. You can see the hole there, and now I can use the this pin punch to actually pry it into the right place. Pop that there, give that a bit of a tap, and then I'll just feed it, hammer it through. Just like that. Line that one up. And it's as simple as that. Now, when it's all blued and it's all put back together, I'm going to spread that a little bit. There's a whole bunch of machining marks on this side here. You can see all the swirly lines. Well, I haven't taken all of them out. On the lower part down here, I'm not going to bother about them. And up on here, there's a bunch of swirls. I'm just going to polish them out a little.